In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to set up Brightspeed Modem. So the first step is to go to this URL here and you'll see a welcome screen like this one. Now you can simply choose English or Spanish version at the top, then click on next. Now what you're gonna have to do, as you can see, in most cases your identity will be verified automatically, and if the system can't do this, you'll be asked for additional information. Now, after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply accept the agreement and then simply wait for this to load up. Then you're gonna have the option to set up the wireless modem, and then here you're gonna have to simply play around with the settings. So if you want, you can also leave them like this, and then simply click on next. And then here, as you can see, you're gonna be able to get notifications and alerts, and that's all you have to do. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.